Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have the headlight guard. Then we also supply 4 M5 by 25mm long bolts and 4 rubber grommets or spacers, as well as a large rubber bumper. The tools we're going to be using: 3mm and 4mm Allen sockets and ratchets. Go ahead and grab the rubber grommet and insert it through the bottom hole, and then take out the OEM bolts using the 4mm Allen socket. And then grab the M5 by 25 bolts, and on the back side put the rubber grommets as shown in the video. And once that's done, you can begin to thread those bolts in. Do not fully tighten each bolt just yet. Put one in, turn a couple of times, and then move to the next one. Like so. Double check the bolts once again after a test ride. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you.